Are you tired of seeing clumps of hair on your pillow, in your shower, or stuck in your comb? Imagine having strong, thick, and healthy hair, all by using a simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen. Today, we are diving deep into the ancient hair care secret that has been used for centuries: rice water. Get ready to say goodbye to hair fall and hello to luscious locks. Hey everyone, welcome back to Envelish. If you're new here, we bring you the best natural beauty and wellness tips to help you look and feel amazing. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about rice water for hair fall. You'll learn how rice water helps stop hair fall, the best ways to prepare it at home, how to use it properly to get maximum results, pro tips and mistakes to avoid. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. And if you've tried rice water before, let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Why is your hair falling? Understand the root cause. Before we jump into the rice water method, let's understand why hair fall happens. Hair loss can be caused by poor diet and nutritional deficiencies, excessive heat styling and chemical treatments, stress and hormonal imbalances, using the wrong hair products, scalp infections, and buildup. If you want to fix hair fall permanently, you need to nourish your hair with the right nutrients, and that's where rice water comes in. What is rice water and why is it so powerful for hair growth? Rice water is the starchy liquid left after soaking or boiling rice, but don't let its simple appearance fool you. It is packed with hair-loving nutrients like amino acids, help strengthen hair strands and reduce breakage. Vitamins B and E, nourish the scalp and boost hair elasticity. Ferulic acid and antioxidants, protect the scalp from damage and aging. Inositol, a special carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair and makes it shinier. Did you know? The Yao women of China, famous for their long, thick hair, have used rice water for centuries to keep their hair healthy and strong. How to prepare rice water for hair growth. 3 best methods. Now, let's move on to the most important part: how to prepare rice water the right way for the best hair growth benefits. Method 1. Soaking, easy and quick method. Best for beginners who want a fast and easy way to use rice water. How to make. 1. Take half cup of rice, white, brown, or jasmine rice. 2. Rinse the rice thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. 3. Soak the rice in 2 to 3 cups of water for 30 minutes. 4. Stir well, then strain the water into a clean bowl. 5. Your rice water is ready to use. Method 2. Fermented rice water, powerful and effective. Best for those who want stronger results and better scalp health. How to make. 1. Take half cup of rinsed rice and soak it in 2 cups of water. Leave it at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours until it becomes slightly sour. 3. Strain the water and store it in the fridge for up to 1 week. 4. Fermented rice water has more antioxidants and pH balancing properties, making it highly beneficial for hair growth. Pro tip: fermented rice water is more concentrated, so dilute it with fresh water before applying. Method 3. Boiled rice water, nutrient-rich and thick. Best for people with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. How to make. 1. Boil half cup of rice with 2 to 3 cups of water. 2. Once the water turns cloudy, turn off the heat and let it cool. 3. Strain the water into a bowl. 4. Your nutrient-rich rice water is ready. How to use rice water for hair growth. Step-by-step guide. Now that you have your rice water ready, let's go through the correct way to use it. Step 1. Wash your hair. First, always start with clean hair. Use a mild shampoo to remove any dirt, oil, or buildup. Step 2. Apply rice water to your scalp and hair. Pour the rice water slowly over your scalp and massage it in for 3 to 5 minutes. Work it through your hair from roots to ends. Step 3. Let it sit. Don't rinse too soon. Leave the rice water on for 20 to 30 minutes to allow full absorption. Wear a shower cap for deeper penetration. Step 4. Rinse and condition. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and apply a lightweight conditioner. Avoid using shampoo after the rice water treatment. Pro tip: use rice water 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Common mistakes to avoid when using rice water. While rice water is amazing for hair, using it the wrong way can cause issues. Mistake 1. Using rice water too often can cause protein overload. Mistake 2. Not rinsing your hair properly can leave a sticky residue. Mistake 3. Using too much at once. A little goes a long way. Results and what to expect. How soon will you see results? Well, hair growth takes time, but if you use rice water consistently for 4 to 6 weeks, you'll start noticing less hair fall, stronger, shinier hair, faster hair growth. So there you have it. Rice water is one of the best natural remedies for hair fall, and now you know exactly how to use it for maximum results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Have you tried rice water before? What was your experience? And don't forget to subscribe to Envelish for more natural beauty tips.